How to unsend sent mails on Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply guide you on how you can actually really unsend a sent mail on the Gmail app or the Gmail browser. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you could simply open Gmail or any of the browser which you have on a device, and then in the search box you want to simply go to gmail.com. You could also open this through your mobile browser or any type of application you're actually using. After you go to gmail.com, you want to make sure to log into your Google or Gmail account right over here. Now, how can you actually unsend a sent mail on Gmail? Now you want to simply follow a few steps because I'm going to show you one simple thing on how you can actually really unsend a sent mail. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see multiple options right over here. What you want to do is, first of all, in order to enable more of these options, you want to simply tap on this button which says more. As you tap on more, you will enable more options, and you want to scroll right over here until you find the option called manage labels right in this settings icon. Here you can find the option that says manage labels, so go ahead and simply click on this option as you see it. As you go to manage labels, you'll be taken to this page, and right here at the top you have been given multiple menu options such as general, labels, inbox, accounts and import, and so on. And by default you're going to be on this labels tab, but we want to switch to the general tab right over here, so go ahead and switch to the general tab as you see it at the top of the screen. As you go to general, you'll be taken to this page to customize many of your general settings. Here you want to scroll at the bottom and look for the option called undo send. So if you don't find this option, you can also simply press Ctrl F on your keyboard and then go ahead and type in undo, and then this option is going to actually come up. After you find this option undo send, you can see right over here it says send cancellation period is currently set to 5 seconds. So what we want to do is we want to change this from 5 seconds to the maximum time possible, and that would actually be 30 seconds. So how the unsend feature works is that if you've actually sent a mail, if it has actually already crossed this period of time right over here, you will not be able to unsend that email. However, if you've actually sent a mail and recently and you just found out that you've sent a wrong email and you want to actually cancel it, and within this 30 seconds period of time you will actually be able to unsend that email. But if it exceeds this time right over here, there is no way you could actually unsend a sent mail in that way. So make sure you have actually scrolled down to the bottom of the screen and then actually tap on save changes first of all. As you tap on save changes, and it's going to reload this application right over here. And now let me just go ahead and show you a live example again. I'm going to simply tap on the compose button, and then I'll go and select a dummy email, and then I'm also going to select and write a random email right over here. And in order to send this, first of all, I'm going to simply tap on the send button. As we tap on send, here at the bottom left you'll find an option called message sent, undo or view message. Now you have time until 30 seconds, which is the period we just actually set, in order to actually undo or unsend this email. If it exceeds that 30 seconds period of time, you will not be able to unsend this. So I'm going to simply tap on undo right over here, and as you can see, sending has been undone and you've been taken back to this compose screen. So this was the way on how you could very easily actually unsend a sent mail on Gmail. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, also simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.